So these are the two things I will be spinning in the GenAI. Okay. How, what are the things we need to understand GenAI? Okay. Generative AI, we can call it. Okay. What are the things you need? See, if you're good with the Python, okay. If you are very beginner, you are not aware of the Python, then what are the things you have to consider to learn about the GenAI? First of all, you should good with any programming language, Python or Julia. Okay, it depends. Okay, which language you wanted to use. But in industry, most of the people are utilizing Python. So we will also pick Python. Okay. So you should be good with Python to various functions, classes, and data structure such as your dictionary, list, tuple, all those things. Okay, how good you are. Along with it, we should also aware of this mathematics. In the mathematics, specifically statistic and probability. Okay, these are the main thing. Probability. Okay. Okay, probability. So these are the few topics that you should know before going into the ML. Okay, before starting ML. Okay, once you are good with this topic, then we will deep dive into the ML, and after ML we'll go into the deep learning DL. Then, if you are good with these four things, then we can. If you have a basic understanding of like how ML algorithm works, how you in deep learning specifically neural network work. Okay, all those things, how we can do training of any neural network, what all the things we are utilizing, what is the weights, bias, all those things. If you're good with them, then we can start with the GenAI. Okay, GenAI is nothing, a sub part of your deep learning and stats. Okay, so I will show you. This is the chart we have in the GenAI. See, we have a bigger picture as a AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is the AI system? See, in with the help of AI, we wanted to create a machine that has like human-like intelligence, or they can mimic the human behavior, human mind. Okay, that is what we want to do. Perform using the artificial AI or artificial intelligence or AI. Okay. So this is the broader picture. In the AI, we have all those things like your ML, deep learning, and now large language model and generative AI. Okay. And the sub part we have as a ML. The sub part of ML is deep learning, and within the deep learning only we have a something called large language model. Okay. In the deep learning, we usually learn about the language model, and from the language model, we come up for the large language model. Okay, what it is. Now, if you talk about GenAI, GenAI is the combination of your large language model and deep learning. Okay. If you are good with these two things, then we can directly start with the GenAI. Okay, so GenAI, what it will do? In the GenAI, we will have neural network, normal neural network, and but the size of the neural network will be high. Okay, the dimension will be very high. Okay, so where all we can utilize this GenAI in various fields, like such as generating text. Okay, and classification of the text, generating image, video generation. Also, now we are working with on audio as well. Audio recognition, translation of audio, all those things we can do with the help of GenAI. Okay, so there we are utilizing basically large language model. Okay, so before this GenAI, I wanted to show you one more thing. Initially, in the early stage, what we have something like this in history. How the so today I'm just going to talk about the two chatbots. So how the history of chatbots uh, went ahead. Okay, so I have data till 2016. Okay, initially in the very beginning of like 50s, so we have a Turing test something. Okay, from the Turing test we got something called ALESA. Okay, so I will show you this example, Aliza, how earlier chatbot looked like. Okay, let me just open a new tab. See, this is a chatbot, Aliza, its name, so you can also check it out. Okay, so what it is, it's like simple chatbot they have created. Okay, earlier it is not AI. They not use any AI or any ML anything. It don't use. Okay, so if you type any kind of question, let's say I'm saying hi. see, it will not give you any, you will not able to reach any outcome with the this question. Okay, let's say I wanted to know something about, okay, let's say, uh tell me about vectors in ML. Okay, so in machine learning, and I just wanted to know about the vectors. See what it is saying. I think you are blocking what really want to say. Okay, see, if you say anything, it will keep asking you question in different ways. Okay, so with the help of this, you cannot reach a certain conclusion. Okay, so this is the issue we have in this one. In this one now, coming to the fast forward 2025.